See the beauty of forest of Sal, and ultimately by crossing over that foot trail we are approaching to a motorable road. The trail that we passed was impossible, almost impossible, but anyhow we made the ground. Soon we are going to catch a motorable road that comes from Sota and leads to Shantipur. Now we are feeling relieved. See the beautiful view of green forest in the month of Pause. Still the jungles are green, but soon the forest would fade away from the color and its beauty because winter is in apex. Yes, now we have breathed the breath of solace as we came to a beautiful road leading down to Sota via MP Sahab. This much from this video also. Thank you very much.